Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, very quickly, let me know what is the syllabus for your UT. So many times I revised with you. Tell me quickly 3 chapters.
Transport in plants, mineral nutrition, and cell.
So I'll be taking a bit revision with you for UT's beta. We'll be revising MCQs based on mineral nutrition today. Is it okay for everyone?
Okay,
There are
ma'am.
2 questions.
Yes.
Hanji, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. There are 2 questions on your screen, MCQs. What you need to do is you need to only write your options as answers. In the last, we'll check and we'll see how many we could score. There is no need for you to tell me the scores. This is just a revision. It is not a test. You have to analyze yourself. Is it fine? So you have 2 questions shared on your screen, MCQs. You need to have a paper and a pen. Simply write one and the correct option, whether you find it A, B, C, D, whatever you find is the correct option. Please start doing. Hurry up and raise your hands if you're done with 2. Then I'll move on further.
Ma'am, the exams will be based on MCQ forms, the main one.
Yes. Yes, Peter. Sorry, what did you say?
Ma'am, the exams
Some problem in your
will
network.
conduct in July. The ma'am that will be based on.
You'll have MCQs
the exam-
also. No, they're not only MCQs. You'll have MCQs, short answers, and of course, one long answer, because this time long answer, we're going to planning to keep it less only. Thorough chapter revision, you need to do every line. We're just preparing you a bit for all types of questions. Don't worry, don't panic. I'm not even going to ask you your score, what you have performed. It's just to analyze yourself. If you would like to share it with me, that's a different thing. 3 students are already done. Once you raise your hands, I'll scroll down. Anadi, Anmol, Ayushi, finish it quickly. You don't have to write the answers. You just have to write the correct options for yourself. Anmol, Parth, we are waiting for you. Okay, Anmol is done. Pallavi and Parth, should I scroll down? Beta, so much time we cannot give. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Keep checking your answers side by side and keep at the end, you put a right or a wrong. Keep checking your answers, then we'll see our scores. All of the above. Fine. In the end, we'll discuss what was the correct score. Guard cells of stoma are kidney shaped. Fine. Okay. The next 2 now. Hurry up and raise your hands, bitches. Very nice. At the end, if you would like to share, at least share this much with me, that how many percent were correct? 50%, 60%, how much? Third and fourth, hurry up. I'll discuss the answers in 2 minutes.
I'm done.
Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
keep
done.
raising your hand so that I know once we are done. Let me check the answers with you. Hurry up, bitches. It's not so time consuming. Chlorophyll found in oval shaped Come on, let me discuss. Oval shaped structures known as, okay, guess the answer before I show you the answer.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Okay, let me see.
Chloroplast.
Yes, it's chloroplast. The light dependent stage cannot be carried out without. I don't think you know this. We have not done photosynthesis in plant. That chapter is not done, but still
Ma'am,
water.
okay.
Okay, did you get this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, this you've done in class 10th. Answer. Plant
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
discharged in how many hours? Guess.
Ma'am, previous one was C, no?
Yes, Picha. Tell me, plant can be discharged in Hanji Papa? Plant can be discharged. Sorry, discharged in how many hours? Guess. Come on, you can always guess, children. In class 10th, you must have done
24.
this when you did an experiment of conditions for photosynthesis. Light is essential, chlorophyll is essential. We did those experiments in class 10th.
Ma'am,
We
48 hours.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
48
40.
hours.
Let's see if your guess is correct. Perfect. It is 48 hours. Even if it is something additional that you're getting, don't worry because you will be going for competitions. These small things, if you remember, uh, you will be able to do it. Okay, can we have this? What did I say? Can we have the revision? What was the first question? Tell me what was the first question we did? First was very easy. Tell me this much. How much time is needed for discharging?
48 hours.
48
Okay.
hours.
40
Now
lakhs.
these. Please do this. Hurry up. The next two questions. Once you're done, let me know, children. Done? Chalo, let's check. To form one glucose molecule, the number of water molecules required are?
12.
Yes? No
12.
answers? 12. Let's see if he's right. Perfect. 12 molecules. To facilitate entry of carbon dioxide in leaf is done through stomata as well as through the water film on the. Yes, carbon dioxide enters through stomata as well as. Guess this. Spongy mesophyll cells. Okay, next two. Easy ones, but you will have to. This is a little tricky one, but very easy one. Just read it carefully. Okay, can we discuss the answers quickly? Leaves are not essential for
Starch formation.
class 11th. What is the problem? Hardly a child speaks out. One person is going to answer. Beta. Yes, starch formation. Excellent. Enzyme required to convert polypeptides to amino acid is? Hurry up, I want this answer. Do you know? Any guesses?
Pepsin.
Pepsin is also correct. Even in the presence of sunlight and water, photosynthesis cannot occur due to the lack of, just check out quickly and tell me. Only this one. 1 minute and we'll discuss.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, it is carbon dioxide. You guessed it correctly. There are some questions, no doubt, which are extra, but let's discuss them. Whatever extra you study in life, sometimes or the other, it will always be useful for you. Okay. Yes. Next two. Let's discuss. Let's start. What is your guess for this one? I'm sure you know this answer, beta. Amino acids form what? Any guesses? Okay. Your general knowledge. Protoplasm. Carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates through which of these?
Water.
Good guess. But is it correct? It is hydrogen. Beta, if you see glucose, carbohydrates are basically what? See, you can see the elements. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Clear? See, this is you can guess in competitive exams, I'm telling you. Carbohydrate, this number is here. So, what are the three elements which are present in carbohydrates? Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The formula is very clear to you. Now look this side. What all is there? Carbon and oxygen. So what is missing? What is missing?
Hydrogen.
Ma'am,
Another thing, if you remember in class 10th, you did oxidation and reduction reactions. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation. And what is addition of hydrogen called?
reduction.
Reduction. We've done it in class 10th. So it is reduced. Obviously, that means addition of hydrogen. So CO is already there when they're saying it's a reduction reaction. So hydrogen must be added. So we're getting glucose. We could have easily guessed this one if you just apply a bit of logic. Sugars made in leaves is transported through. What is your answer?
Phloem
Yes.
tissue.
Phloem tissues. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on to the next two cells. The questions, please revise them and let's discuss the answers. Okay, can we discuss the answers? Sucrose developed from excess sugars is transported for storage to,
All of the above.
let's say, perfect. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur are examples of
Essential non-metallic.
Essential metallic and
metallic or non-metals.
Non-metallic.
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 Perfect. Of course, they are essential, but when we check out that all of these three are non-metals, the answer should be essential non-metallic elements. Okay. This you don't know. Let's do this. These two. When it comes to assuming and guesses, everybody can do. Please do it.
I'm done.
Are we done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss quickly. Through enzyme pepsin, proteins can be changed into hurry up.
Amino acids.
Amino
Amino
acids, even polypeptides. Amino acids is no doubt correct. Your answer is also correct. In guard cells, potassium ions combined with sugar lead to guard cells. When potassium ions and what is essential? Potassium ions were essential for what?
Increase water potential and guard cells.
Lower the water potential. This you no need to do the formula. You can always guess. Simplest carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates and sugar is transported from the leaves. This one, these two. I know there's a lot of extra stuff here, but nothing goes waste better when it comes to studies.
Galactose.
Let's do two together, then we'll discuss. Okay, now let's discuss. It's sufficient time. Simplest carbohydrates are
Sugar.
sugar. Any guesses?
Glucose.
No, he's right. It's sugars. Sugars then convert and store as starch. That's complex. Sugar is transported away from the leaves through
Phloem.
Phloem
phloem.
tissue.
Who is going to carry all other things apart from water? Who is going to carry? Obviously, the
Phloem.
phloem is carry. We did about the vascular system. Two things in the vascular system: phloem and
Xylem.
the next two questions. Better. Okay, this time 3 questions together. 2 is taking a lot of time. So one more. This is also not difficult. In carbon-free solution of minerals plants, just guess it out. You'll get the answer. Can we discuss all the 3 answers?
Yes, ma'am.
You people guess out first. Palvi was earlier there in the meeting. Rita, was she there in the meeting? Let me speak to her. Plants can be called as?
Autotrophs.
Okay, everybody agrees to this answer, or is there any difference of opinion? Autotrophs. Next. Light absorbed by chlorophyll is converted into?
Chemical energy.
Chemical
energy.
energy.
Chemical
Everybody agrees with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. This you already told me. It's autotrophs is correct. Photoautotrophs also called sometimes because they can prepare in the presence of photo. See this chemical energy. In carbon-free solution of minerals, plants, what does the question mean? If there is no carbon, then what will happen? Plants will grow well, they can, they cannot, will lose their green color. What is your answer? I hope your question. Let's see. They can grow well because they don't need carbon. What do they need? The combined form of carbon, that is carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
They don't need carbon. Okay. The next 2 questions. Let's discuss the answers now. Prepared? Yes, Piche. Hydrogen and oxygen are obtained through?
Water plant intakes through roots.
Let's see. Of course, water plant intakes through roots. Stomata guard cells perform all functions, but tell me what functions stomata guard cells do not perform. Are they involved in protection? Stomata guard cells. Have you ever read that guard cells are involved in protection, beta?
No.
They're not involved in protection. Again, I'm saying there are no doubt some questions which you have not read across, but never mind. We can do. Yes, guard cells are involved in what, children? Tell me, side by side, we can always discuss also. What are they involved in? Now let me have a revision. Tell me the answers. Stomata guard cells perform all functions, but
Protecting the inner
Protecting the inner
region.
regions of leaf.
okay. Hydrogen and oxygen are obtained through?
water plant intakes through roots.
Water plant intakes through roots.
Better please answer the questions. In carbon-free solution of mineral plants,
Can grow
Can
well.
grow
Can grow well.
light absorbed by chlorophyll is converted into which energy?
Chemical
This
energy.
answer is okay. Chemical energy. Plants can be called as?
Photoautotrophs.
Photoautotrophs.
Everybody is sure that they can be called as photoautotrophs? Okay, now
Yes.
tell me function of guard cells. Who will tell me quickly?
Producing of sugar.
Opening and closing of stomata.
Closing of stomata. And why do we need to close the stomatas? Why do we need to close the stomatas?
One. Stop the water loss.
As
Fine. These two questions on your screen, let's guess the answers. Done with the answers? Let's see. I think these are easier ones. We'll be able to answer. Just give me 1 second. In plants, the term hydrophytes refers to growing hydroponics, sorry,
Without
refers to growing.
Plants without soil.
Okay, I think there was a model also in your exhibition. Plants without soil. Leaf base is also referred to as, you've done the structure in junior classes. What is it referred to? Leaf base. Right here. Lamina to beta, it is the surface. The entire surface is called lamina. Anybody? Leaf blade is entirely different. Petiole, so you know where it arises from. So it's none of these. Lamina is the entire surface of a leaf. Pura ka pura. It's not this. Hurry up. Let's do it. Okay, we did not have the answer there, leaf base. What is it called? In some plants, it is called stipule, and some plants, it is called hypopodium. The previous question that we had, leaf base, normally it is called stipule, the place where it originates. Primary factors controlling the rate of photosynthesis are known as? They are controlling. Now guess. Inhibiting means to slow down. Limiting means, see, there is a limit. Parents always decide what are the limits. When they control you, they decide your limits. Expediting, finishing it off. Supporting factors, the meaning you know only. So guess quickly. Primary factors controlling the rate of photosynthesis are known as which factors?
Limiting factor.
Limiting factors. Leaves cannot perform photosynthesis without which of these? Guesses?
Mesophyll cells.
Correct.
Beta, leaves will not be able to perform without, what do they need for photosynthesis? Remember the equation of photosynthesis. It was CO2 plus water plus sunlight. So water will come. Who's going to bring the water from the roots? Xylem. So if you don't have water, even if leaves have chlorophyll, they will not be able to perform photosynthesis. Always remember the equation. It was carbon dioxide plus water. So here we need water. And who's going to bring water? Xylem or phloem? Read the last question. It is very easy. Just try and understand the language. Hurry up. Last question for today, then revisions. Yes, let me guess the answers. Let me see if you're getting it correct. Please give your option answers. Hurry up. Yes, what are your correct options? Hurry up, Peter. No guesses. If rate of water evaporation exceeds the rate of water intake, the plant cells will. Intake is come. See over here, the intake is reduced. Fine. And evaporation is more. What will happen to the plant?
The cells will start to plasmalize.
Yes, the cells will start to plasmalize. Because evaporation is exceeding means what? The water amount is becoming lower, more. It's
Lower.
becoming less or it is becoming more? Yes, plasmolysis and deplasmolysis. What is the difference?
Water loss is more.
Yes, if rate of water, who will give me the difference between plasmolysis and deplasmolysis?
When plasmolysis, water loss is more from cell, and deplasmolysis